Paso, this is called guyabano.
How to eat it like this?
Huh?
How to eat this?
So, take a bite. Take this one then. It's the big one. But you need to finish all because no one will eat after you. Then take the small one. Take the smaller one.
This one?
So you eat the meat, everything, except the black seeds inside. You can just spit it out and put on the plate.
How to eat?
Not this part. Alright, now you can eat. That's an Asian fruit. What do you think? This is good for the health. Too much. Too much vitamins when you're sick, whatever. It can heal you, whatever. It's very good. Rich in vitamins.
You like it, Baso?
Yeah, it's nice taste.
That food, all I sell down.
No seeds.
It's like that, Baba. Just don't eat the seeds.
Why?
Of course you don't eat the seed. No one eats seeds here. Eat this part. Don't eat on the same place. Good, huh? So my dad opened that for you as well. Eat them all. Yeah?
Right down there.
Push!
This one, no?
This one. No, this one. Eat that part.
Let's see for now.